team, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss the second sum of Heron's formula. What is given here? A traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle. Which side A? Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. If the perimeter is given as a 180 centimeters, what will be the area of the signal board? Okay, first take down rough figure, guys. The school ahead signal board is in the shape of a triangle, and given that it is an equilateral triangle. So in equilateral triangle, all the sides will be of same, right? So I have taken with A units. Okay, I have taken each side as A units. That one I have mentioned here. Let each side of a equilateral triangle be A units. So we need to find the area of a triangle here. Here in the given question, they already given the perimeter also. So using that perimeter information, we can solve this area of a triangle. Okay, first write down what is area of a triangle formula using Heron's formula. So that is under root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So before substituting the A, B, C values, we need to find semi-perimeter, right? S equal to A plus B plus C by 2. So substitute all the values in that and simplify. We get all sides are same because it's an equilateral triangle. So all sides will be same. So it get A plus A by 2. That indicates 3A by 2. So we got S value as 3A by 2. That is semi-perimeter. So substitute that semi-perimeter, that is S value, in the given formula. So what we get? A equal to under root of 3A by 2, 3A by 2 minus A, 3A by 2 minus A, 3A by 2 minus A. Because all the values are same here, so we get the same values for A, B, C also. So simplify. So what I have taken here? 3A by 2 minus A is repeated 3 times. So that's why I have taken as a cube here. Okay. Then, so take LCM. So we'll get LCM as 2. So what we get? 3A minus 2A becomes A, guys. So A by 2. Okay. So 3A by 2 is as it is. And A by 2 becomes whole cube. Okay. 3A by 2 into A cube by 2 cube. I changed this cube as a individual term for numerator and denominator. A cube by 2 cube. So what becomes under root of 3A by 2 dot A cube means A cube by 2 cube means 8. So simplify that. Under root of 3A power 4, because A power 1 and A power 3 where the base are same, power should be added. So it becomes A power 4 where 2 into 8 is 16. So apply that root for each and every term, guys. Root 3 dot root A power 4 by root 16. Simplify. What we get? Root 3 into A power 4 can be written as A squared power whole square, power to the power form. Where square and root get cancelled, you will get A squared. And root 16 value is 4, we know already. So what is left? What we got here? Conclusion step. Root 3 into A square by 4. Okay, that is root 3 A square by 4 square units. But in the given question, given that the perimeter of a signal board is given as 180 centimeters, right? So what is a perimeter of a triangle formula? AB, sum of all the sides, AB plus BC plus CA. So all the sides are same because it's an equilateral triangle. So what we get? A plus A plus A equal to 3A. That equal to A equal to okay, 3A equal to 180. So make A as subject and find the value of A. We got A equals 60 centimeters, guys. So substitute that 60 centimeters in this formula. So what we get? Root 3 by 4 dot A squared means 60 into 60. So simplify, where 4 will cancel in 15 times. So we get root 3 dot means root 3 into 900. 15 into 60 we get 900. So that equal to 900 root 3 square centimeters. Okay. Once you go through all full sum, thank you for watching and in the next video we'll continue with other question. Thank you guys.